Hello and welcome to NutriVibe. Signs your body needs magnesium. What if your body has been asking for magnesium, but you've been missing the signs? Here are 7 common signs that may be linked to low magnesium. 1. Muscle cramps. Frequent muscle cramps or twitching may be associated with low magnesium levels. Magnesium plays an important role in normal muscle function. 2. Constant fatigue. Feeling tired even after a full night's sleep? Low magnesium can contribute to fatigue and low energy in some people. 3. Trouble sleeping. If you have difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, magnesium may be one factor, since it helps support relaxation. 4. Frequent headaches. Some people with low magnesium experience frequent headaches or migraines. If headaches are persistent, consult a healthcare professional. 5. Tingling or numbness. Tingling in your hands or feet can have many causes, including magnesium deficiency. It's important to get evaluated if this happens often. 6. Irregular heartbeat. Magnesium helps support normal heart function. If you notice a fast or irregular heartbeat, seek medical advice promptly. 7. Anxiety or irritability. Low magnesium may affect mood in some people. Feeling unusually stressed or irritable can have many causes, so it's worth discussing with your doctor if it continues. If you notice several of these signs, don't assume it's magnesium deficiency. Talk with a healthcare professional for proper testing and advice. Like, subscribe, and follow NutriVibe for more evidence-based nutrition tips.